Ma'am, I saw what you did.
I don't care what you saw.
Okay.
You're handsome. Are you single?
I am.
I didn't want to show him what's in my phone.
I was rude at my fiance
Hey.
at me in the jail cell. He thinks that
You're gonna listen.
I've never cheated on him.
On October 25th, 2025, police are called to a good to go in Corrales, New Mexico, where a breakup is unfolding at the cash register. But one more person may have seen enough to settle it. What did that person see? And can the officers get a straight answer from Jennifer without making the situation worse themselves?
Hi. Are you there, Nicole?
No, that woman that's in there, she is bipolar, she's wigging out, she's intoxicated, she's screaming.
How'd she get here?
I think they're dating.
I mean, do you see what car she arrived in?
No. And she won't leave. It is the most toxic thing I've ever seen.
Okay, hang on.
Yo, she's trying to get me.
Oh,
Come
sorry.
with me.
Sorry.
Right now. Come with me.
Okay, sorry.
Just hook her up real fast.
He took my stuff. I was just trying to grab my stuff back.
on your back.
Trying to get my stuff? Yes, he did. He took my stuff.
You were behind the counter. You don't work here.
You invited me here. That's my ex-boyfriend.
Turn around and stand with your feet.
I'll get down.
Well, nobody told you to get down.
I just want to be submissive so that you
Well-
guys don't know. You know that I'm not fighting back. I have to poop. He took my stuff, guys. That's
Okay,
why I
get up.
ran after him.
Stand up. I'm not going to pull you up.
Okay. Can I get all of my stuff? My phone and stuff?
This is her dog. And
Okay, go ahead. Are you guys, you involved with this?
I am a little
Okay,
bit
go talk to him,
because
find out his Stand over there by the police post, please.
So we can separate the two.
you're fine, bro.
Thank you, sir.
This dude's power tripping right now. Dude, I walked into the biggest storm. It was like the most toxic thing I've ever seen in my life.
I don't doubt it, man.
The cashier is my lifetime friend and just met this woman like a week ago and they fell in love and she's bipolar, dude. I walked in there and she flipped the switch and she started wigging out.
Did anyone hit anyone or?
Oh yeah, she was hit. She was putting hands on him.
Connor isn't neutral. He's Steven's best friend. That means police should take a harder look at his story, not throw it out. But his attempt to diagnose Jennifer should count for nothing.
She was physically attacking him.
I wasn't. He took my
Ma'am,
stuff.
turn around.
This is her dog, by
Turn
the way.
around. Turn around. Listen what I'm saying.
What's your first name?
Hello, I'm Jennifer.
Jennifer, relax, take a deep breath. Okay?
I'm relaxing.
Listen,
I promise.
the quiet person usually
Yeah.
goes home.
I know. I'm sorry.
So just cooperate with these officers.
I
Hold on,
didn't mean to run after. He took my
Jennifer,
stuff. He
listen.
took. Oh, sorry. Sorry.
Listen.
Yes, he did. He took my
Listen,
vape.
Jennifer.
I just want to take a hair.
Jennifer.
Vape. Oh, sorry.
Stop talking.
Sorry.
Listen to these officers.
I'm
Do what they
listening.
need, okay?
Sorry.
When you get to the car, just
Sergeant,
talk
sorry,
with them.
Sergeant.
No problem. Stay calm.
I am calm.
Okay. You're
Like
intoxicated.
that's my ex right now.
I understand that.
Hi, buddy. How are you? How are you?
Was she drinking here?
She was.
Is she an employee?
No, she's not. But I.
Who is she to you?
She's my girlfriend.
Okay.
But I realized she was drinking once she got here, and so I was like, "You need to leave," and she didn't leave.
Was she actually physically attacking this guy? The guy outside?
Oh no, sir, that's my best friend. Colin.
So who was she attacking?
Me?
How many times did she hit you?
Just once.
Hang tight in here for a minute. Thank you, sir.
He just took my stuff and ran off.
Okay.
No, he took my stuff.
I know.
That
Did
is
he?
my legal
Okay.
stuff. I bought that,
Hey,
and he
listen
took
to
it from my hands. And
Listen, stop
that's why I
talking.
ran-
Stop
I'm sorry,
talking.
sorry.
You're talking like 90 miles an hour.
I know.
Okay?
She-
Talk like a woman, adult woman to me, okay? Slow down, get your breath, and look at me. And talk to me
So
like a woman.
okay, babe.
Adult woman.
Can I tell you?
Yeah, and I'll listen, but when you're talking at 90 miles an hour and trying to tell me everything in 1 second.
I think everyone has a different personality, and
Well-
I'm Puerto Rican. Can I tell you something really
Yeah,
quick?
but we need to have you sit down.
Okay.
Slide in there. There you go.
As soon as I walked in, I walked into like the most toxic.
Sam 342 SO, they're
Screaming
code
match I've ever
900.
heard in
They're
my
all
life.
safe. I'm sorry, say that again.
I just walked in there. That's why my lights are on. I just went in there real quick to get nicotine pouches. And the second I walked in, she was screaming. She was pushing him. I was like, what the f did I just walk into? I was like, dude, you need to call the police right now because this is insane.
Did you actually see her physically attacking him?
Yeah, and so did the female cop.
Oh, the officers actually saw it too?
Yeah.
Tell me what's going on with you and him. I heard you're his ex-girlfriend.
So listen.
Yeah.
Me and Steven were dating up until about 4 hours ago because I changed my iPhone passcode and he couldn't get into it. I didn't want to show him like what's in my phone.
Okay.
So I have pictures of my ex. Like, I genuinely love my ex.
Yeah.
And so, like, he's, like, saying that I'm a cheater and blah, blah, blah. And I have never cheated on him. But the thing is, this ex is, like, a friend to me. Like, I was dating him for, like, 5 years, you know?
Well, I saw it.
It was
on my
years
camera.
ago.
When I walked in, she was already attacking, shoving and grabbing him. And
I wasn't attacking him. He took my vape out of my hands.
Ma'am, I saw what you did.
I don't care what you saw.
Okay,
I don't care what you saw.
Take your tone down.
Listen,
so that we talk like an adult woman.
I plead
Stop
human
yelling.
rights.
Officer Martin says she saw it herself. That's a lot harder for Jennifer to explain away than just Steven's word. The vape may explain why they were arguing. It doesn't answer whether she shoved or grabbed him.
I'm sorry, I don't mean to yell.
You're yelling.
Like I said,
You're yelling.
Well, can I tell you, officer, come over here. I don't want you to have a warped perception.
Okay, hold on real quick.
Yeah?
You're doing a good job just talking to me. Just
Sorry.
do the same thing to her.
I'm sorry, I'm just crying.
You're
I'm just
fine.
crying and I just
We'll
want you
start.
to understand what I'm going through.
What's your name?
My name's Jennifer.
Jennifer, hold on. Hold on.
Wait,
You're
guys,
talking so fast I can't hear you.
Please, may I please speak? Please,
Yes,
please,
but
may I
you just
please
take
speak?
a deep breath
Yes,
because
yes,
you're
may I
talking
please
so
speak?
fast.
May I please speak?
No one understands what you're saying.
Okay, may I please speak?
Jennifer,
Okay,
you
I
have
understand.
to
I'm
slow
talking
down.
really fast, but may I please speak?
Yes.
I just came here and got a soda and candy. And he's there at the register. And she was sitting behind him, sitting down on the chair. And he said that she showed up here drinking. He was like, hey, you can't be here drinking. And he was trying to make her leave, but...
Yeah, and she's intoxicated. So.
All right, and you smell very strong of alcohol. You've had something. How much have you had to drink today? How long
A lot.
Okay.
Like, both me and Steven
You
have
got
been
it?
drinking. Drink it.
Can you stay with me?
Steven was drinking on the clock as well, and I was trying to tell him, like, there was another customer that, like, came in and was like, hey.
What's your first name again?
Jennifer.
Jennifer. Have you ever gone to jail before, Jennifer?
No.
Do you want to keep yourself from going to jail?
Yes.
Then be quiet.
I'm sorry, they're asking me questions.
I know, but you're just rambling and
I'm
you're
sorry,
yelling at my officers. Listen to me.
I'm just
See, you're
sorry.
rambling.
I'm just sorry, guys.
So you need to stop.
I'm just sorry. I don't mean to do this.
Okay,
He's
do me a
trying to
favor.
throw me out at my dog, and I'm like,
Okay.
Domino's gonna die.
Turn in your legs real quick.
Domino's gonna die.
He's not. Domino's fine. Hang tight for me, okay?
Okay.
So you need to determine whether you want to make an arrest or not. So if you saw it, you're mandated by law, you have to make an arrest.
The officer overstates the law. In New Mexico, police can make a warrantless domestic violence arrest on probable cause. One section says they may arrest. Another calls for arrest when appropriate. That's discretion, not an automatic arrest.
So I need to talk to you to find out what happened tonight.
Can I toss
Yes,
this
go
real
right
quick?
ahead, sir. Yeah. So tell me what happened tonight.
Yes, ma'am. So I asked her at 4 p.m. not to stay around here. She didn't want to be by herself. She's like a clingy, super clingy. I asked her please leave, and she didn't want to leave. She wanted to continue to talk about some exes that she had in her life. Like, she and I are barely been dating for 2 weeks.
Okay.
Yeah, it's
Oh, you just started? You just met her?
Yes, ma'am. I love what we had, kind of like the energy, but I said, I need you to go home, you know, and so she didn't want to go home. And so after that...
And home being where you live? Or
right here.
So she moved in with you about 2 weeks ago?
Yes,
okay.
yeah, things are kind of like choppy right now.
Okay.
The reason why is she's still keeping in touch with like her ex-boyfriends. I found that out tonight.
All right.
And so I was like, you just need to go.
Yeah.
And she didn't want to go.
Where did she hit you?
Right
What?
here on my ribs.
On your rib? Are you red there? Can I take a look real quick? Yeah, so right there. Yeah, I do see it. Okay, so I want to get a few pictures of you, okay?
Yeah.
And you're red all around here too. Is that from her touching you, grabbing you?
Yeah, yeah.
And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to charge her with domestic violence tonight.
Okay, cool.
And she's going to go to jail.
Okay.
And that means you'll be going to court eventually, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
2 weeks sounds fast, but it doesn't knock out the household member charge. New Mexico law can cover a continuing personal relationship, even when the couple doesn't live together. The officer also does the right follow-up. She interviews Steven away from Connor and photographs the redness. His story now has support from Connor, Officer Martin, and the redness the interviewing officer says she sees on his wrist. I understand the arrest. That still doesn't prove Jennifer was guilty.
You're fine, Jennifer. Just try not to yell so much. What music do you like, Jennifer?
What?
I think country has the sad breakups.
You're handsome. Are you single?
I am.
Want to date?
I can't. I'm dating. I'm dating someone right now.
Okay, well, my current one sucks. Actually, never mind.
No, you can vent all you want.
No.
Okay, you don't need a vent.
Sorry, I'm a little drunk. Just ignore me.
We were having such a good conversation right now.
Thank you for listening to me.
Of course.
What's your sunshine?
What's my sunshine?
Yes. Hey, so over here. Hey, Morgan. Tell me, please.
My birthday's coming up.
What is it?
December 9th.
Okay, Sagittarius. Nice. Yeah. I'm a Pisces. We get along.
nice. I'm just like drunk and weird. And I just not broken up with.
Going from my current one sucks to comparing zodiac signs with the officer is a wild pivot. It's funny, but it tells us nothing about whether she shoved or hit him.
I just want to go home. Like, this is so weird. Okay. I've never been arrested and I feel so weird. I just want to go home. I want my dog and I want Steven and I want everything to be normal.
Okay, Jennifer, here's how this is gonna happen, okay?
What?
You're gonna stay here until we take you to the jail.
Oh,
okay?
I don't want to be around all those people.
Well,
I'm gonna
let
get
me
beat
tell
up.
you something.
Jennifer, okay, all right, hey, this crying isn't gonna change anything tonight, okay? You know that, okay? I understand you're upset, but listen. Okay, listen, you can discuss that later. Listen, okay. Well, nothing's gonna change tonight. Listen, I know you're. I know. You want to go sit down on the seat over there for a little bit? Okay. Okay.
It's broken. My heart's broken. I don't have my fiance anymore at me in the jail cell. He thinks I cheated on him. I've never cheated on him. I've never cheated on him.
Hey, let me get your hair.
Please kill me.
Okay, listen, do me a favor. We're gonna get you up, okay? We're gonna go outside.
Okay, sorry.
Turn
I'm sorry.
Turn sideways. So get you up. Okay, yep, get your feet underneath you. There you go.
Jennifer Barreto was charged the next day with misdemeanor battery against a household member. The court found probable cause on October 27th, and the case moved through arraignment and pretrial proceedings. The complaint was dismissed without prejudice on December 23, 2025. There was no conviction or acquittal. The arrest makes sense to us. Calling it mandatory doesn't. Neither do some of the comments aimed at Jennifer. If the evidence is strong enough for probable cause, you don't need to talk down to her. Do you think police made the right call on the arrest, but handled Jennifer badly? Or did the chaos justify their approach?